Hello, I'm Jerry Berger with the Solutions and Consultants Group of Legrand AV. The Legrand has multiple divisions. This is coming from the AV division. And we are at the Exertis Elmo show. And here I'd like to show you two new cameras. One is called the IntelliShot, and the other is called the Easy IP30. They are both functionally the same, except that the IntelliShot has the traditional outputs of HDMI, USB, and network. However, the Easy IP is part of our video over IP ecosystem. That uses a single category cable that gets plugged into a network switch. Everything gets plugged into a network switch. The mixer, the switcher, the microphones, the speakers, all in the video over IP ecosystem. So the two cameras share the following features. They both have a 30x optical zoom. They both have built-in stereo microphones with audio echo cancellation. They both have capabilities for auto tracking and auto framing, and they use a technology of AI, artificial intelligence, based on motion, not voice recognition, not facial recognition, but motion heat sensing. And so based on that technology, we're able to identify who is in the space, whether it's a conference room or a lecture hall, and has presets for either a conference or a lecture capture environment. It can be very responsive, where the camera is framed very quickly, or more gradually in a medium or slower fashion. So these two new cameras, the IntelliShot and the Easy IP30, are part of the latest cameras from Vadio. Vadio is a brand of Legrand AV. I'm Jerry Berger, Legrand AV. Thanks very much for watching.